big one.
A big.
I got a little paint on it. And our colors are red, purple, and magenta. And we got a little sponge love thing right here. And we're gonna save that for the end. So let's get painting. Yeah. I'm gonna use the little one first, and I wanna put it in there. I wanna put it in the red one. Come back. Pop it. This looks cool already. I actually watched shows about this. I never did in real life. Like this. I don't know. I think I need a little more. Sorry about yours, saying. I got my hot stuff. Well, that's a little better. That does. I'll try to wipe that off. There, that's a little better. Now, I'm gonna wait for this one to get washed off. And I'm gonna move to the meat. Oh, oh, got some water. Make sure that all that paint washes off. Oh, there's too much up there. Oh, wait, it's all well, anyways. I need more purple. Be sure to use well next. A little more. It's so fun. It's like I'm painting my cup upside down. No, this is what it is. Magic. Oh! Hey, that looks open now. That looks. Oh yeah, I need to use red on this other side. Red. Oh, so cool when I'm doing it. I want the purple color. More purple. I like that purple better. Oh, that looks so cute. Maybe I will make like smooth or something. Tell me if this looks good. Painting is good. I like painting. My fingers are still so comfortable. But that was doing so bad. I think it's like finger painting. If you have little brushes. Excuse me, Ryan. I don't get mine. Okay. Now I don't believe that how much is it. These now speak. Not white. I'm not even gonna get hands. I'm starting to know how to. I'm telling you what it is. It has paint on the top. Sit there like that. And now I have some color to put on the blue. Now I'm gonna put in my left and I'm gonna put it on the stocks. You look pretty too, Lion. Thank you, ma'am. Nana, are you about to do yours? Yeah, I'm about to do what? Put it on. Please don't on. Yes. Keep on pushing. Yeah. Nana, take it off. Oh, no. I did it. My turn. But you can just put it if you want. I really need to go ahead. Love. That's good. So, this is how our finished paintings look like. And if you didn't know this spells love, if you have forgotten, it spells love you. Yeah, spells love. And if you want, you can give it to someone you love. For Valentine's Day. Anybody. Yes. Or you can hang it up on a wall for someone. Or you can just give them. This is how everything looks like. And it looks like mine will look like this. Well, again, and like and subscribe. And like you like.